Just on period. Just on per. Good morning. So it is 6:58 and I am on my way to the gym. 6:58. I'm really trying to get back into my morning workout habits. I used to go in the evening time, like I started making that a habit, but like that kind of affected the way I ate during the day, and my schedule's about to change a little bit, and I just really need to get back to going in the morning. So I'm on my way there. I haven't did a fitness Friday since the end of 2020, so you know, we back and we ready. Period poop, period poop. Okay, so I will see y'all once I get to the gym and let y'all know what I'm doing. So y'all, this is my gym outfit for today. So this is my gym outfit for today. I honestly found this at Burlington, so I cannot give you a link to where I got this. But if you're looking for cute workout sets, then go hit up your local Burlington's, Ross, TJ Maxx. You don't have to spend all that money online. Period. So, alright you guys, so I am at the gym right now and I'm about to do a couple of workouts. I don't really know what I want to do yet, but we'll see. Good morning. Oh, your wig is cute. Good morning, class.
Making money like a mint, laying in my ice like shrimp, mint condition that I'm in, coming with the freshness. Yeah, I got that brand new shit. I bought it so I don't pay rent. All my boys are pussy whipped, coming with the freshness. Yeah, light green, squeaky clean, so he buy me nice things. I fiend, bigger bling, only register ka-ching. Too high, too fly, when they look up at the sky. It's a bird, it's a plane, superwoman, say my name. He said beggars can't be choosy. I said it's Gucci, I'm couture like the movies. Don't need face tuning, Jamba Jewish looking smoothie. No GMO, these bananas never bruising. If you can't remember two things, I never needed luck. See my haters say what's up, best part of waking up. Like Folgers in your cup, grinded everything I got. They gave up but I have not, now I rock at the top. Making money like a mint, laying in my ice like shrimp, mint condition that I'm in, coming with the freshness. Yeah, I got that brand new shit. I bought it so I don't pay rent. All my boys are pussy whipped, coming with the freshness. Open up for a treat, never saw, only sweet. Swish it, rinse and repeat. You wanna get like me? Big bars, mint cars, lined up on the boulevard. In this beat, push hard, we might set off some alarms. He deceit, pussy treat, bend it over, he's deceased. They might talk a lot of game, but they can't back up the claims. I see it and believe it. He's in agreement, cut the check like you mean it. Lick it and seal it, never kiki in my feelings. It's too appealing, breaking glass in your ceilings. If you can remember two things, I never needed luck. See my haters say what's up, best part of waking up. Like Folgers in your cup, grinded everything I got. You gave up but I have not, see me rock at the top. Making money like a mint, laying in my ice like shrimp, mint condition that I'm in, coming with the freshness. Yeah, I got that brand new shit. I bought it so I don't pay rent. All my boys are pussy whipped, coming with the freshness. Open up for a treat, never saw, only sweet. Swish it, rinse and repeat. You wanna get like me? Open up for a treat, never saw, only sweet. Swish it, rinse and repeat. You wanna get like me? You wanna get like me? She's a mint, such a mint. Don't resist, that's the mint. Who the mint? You the mint. We the mint, we the mintness. We the mintness. Making money like a mint, laying in my ice like shrimp, mint condition that I'm in, coming with the freshness. Yeah, I got that brand new shit. I bought it so I don't pay rent. All my boys are pussy whipped, coming with the freshness. comment, say my name. He said beggars can't be choosy. I said it's Gucci, I'm couture like the movies. Don't need face tuning, Jamba Jewish looking smoothie. No GMO, these bananas never bruising. If you can't remember two things, I never needed luck. See my haters say what's up. Best part of waking up like Folgers in your cup. Grinded everything I got, they gave up but I have not. Now I rock at the top. Making money like a mint, laying in my ice like shrimp. Mint condition that I'm in, coming with the freshness. Yeah, I got that brand new shit. I bought it so I don't pay rent. All my boys are pussy whip, coming with the freshness.
Alright, you guys, so I need to stop doing it. Like, what is this? Okay, y'all, I am back from the gym. I had to do some of my schoolwork. I had a test to take and stuff, so it's about probably like 10:30, and I'm about to cook my breakfast. So I'm gonna make a egg scramble. I like omelets, but like I prefer boiled eggs, but you know, I need more than a boiled egg. So I'm gonna do a scrambled egg, an egg scramble with turkey sausage, spinach, cheese, and a few onions and bell peppers. So if you want to see me make that, then you obviously here for that reason, so keep on watching. Oh, I also got this. So y'all, your girl needs to drink her water. I got this 70 ounce. It's 70 ounces, you can't really see, but I'm also going to show y'all, probably not today in this video, but like I'm going to customize this. I have a crinkle machine, so I can basically put whatever I want to on it. And I also I make like other little water bottles and stuff just to have, because you can never have so many water bottles. So I make those, and I'm going to make that one, and I'm going to make it real cute or whatever. And I also have my headband wig that I wore to the gym, and like, this is it for me. It's the wig for me. Okay, y'all, I got me a Dunkin' Donuts drink, iced coffee, no sugar, cream only, caramelized coffee. I have my sausage scramble. Let me focus in. I have my sausage scramble, egg scramble, and I don't know what I want to talk about. I kind of want to talk about my goals and like what I want to do for my fitness goals for 2021. I did get sick. I was sick for a little bit. I couldn't go to the gym. I'm just gonna be real, y'all. I caught COVID. I had COVID and I couldn't go to the gym for 2 weeks. So that really like set me back and held me back. I was trying my best to like just get up and do something because I didn't have like symptoms and stuff like that. I lost my smell, but I had like a slight, very slight cough for a few days. Like after the second, third day, I was feeling completely normal, but I knew I couldn't go out and do anything because this shit's irresponsible. All I can do is try to get better now. So I'm going super hard. I'm trying to eat super clean. I'm holding myself to my goals, holding myself accountable so I can reach where I want to be. Okay, so I'm 185. I am trying to get down to maybe like a solid 165, 170 before prime time summer get here. And I know that I'm gonna have to buckle down, but I also already a pretty muscular person. Like I played sports in high school. Like I've always been active in my life. So I'm really just trying to up my protein, in which I've never been the one like to really know about macros. I think that's what it's called, macros and stuff. But I'm gonna have to start getting into that because I've lost a lot of body fat, and now I'm trying to start toning and like forming how I want my body to be, because I'm not trying to be no built ass bitch. But I'm also not trying to look like I don't work it. Like I want to look like, oh yeah, she go to the gym, she look good, but not like, damn, that bitch strong. Y'all know that that TikTok of that girl, she's strong as fuck. She like see, look, period. If all my girls out there who like to look cute and go to the gym, I'm going to be putting up a review on this headband wig, because y'all, I swear it take me like 5 minutes, and I literally don't have no braids. I got one braid across the top of my head just to put the combs in, because I tried it without the braid and like it was sliding back because it didn't have anything to anchor onto. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. When I get ready to eat again, I'll come see it. So I'm back. It's 5:02 p.m. and I'm pretty hungry. So I'm gonna make me a margarita pizza with, y'all gonna see what I put on it. But this is just a pizza that I got from Walmart. It's a cauliflower crisp margarita pizza, and I'm gonna put my own toppings on it to spaz it up a little bit. So if you want to see how I made my pizza, keep on watching.
Only sweet, swish it, rinse and repeat. You wanna get like me? Big bars, mint cars, lined up on the boulevard. In this beat, push hard. We might set off some alarms. He deceit, pussy treat, bend it over. He's deceased. They might talk a lot of game, but they can't back up the claims. I see it and believe it. He's in agreement. Cut the check like you mean it. Lick it and seal it. Never kiki in my feelings. It's too appealing, breaking glass in your ceilings. If you can remember 2 things, I never needed luck. See my haters say what's up. Best part of waking up, like Folgers in your cup. Grinded everything I got. You gave up, but I have not. See me rock at the top. Making money like a mint. Laying in my ice like shrimp. Mint condition that I'm in. Coming with the freshness. Yeah, I got that brand new shit. I bought it so I don't pay rent. All my boys are pussy whipped. Coming with the freshness. Open up for a treat. Never saw only sweet. Swish it, rinse and repeat. You wanna get like me? Open up for a treat. Never saw only sweet. Swish it, rinse and repeat. You wanna get like me? You wanna get like me? She's a mint, such a mint. Don't resist, that's the mint. Who the mint? You the mint. We the mint, we the mintness. We the mintness.
Good morning. So I never closed out the vlog at the end, so I'm closing it out now. I want to start doing, instead of doing fitness Fridays, I might upload on different days because Fridays just are really working for my schedule, so I'm gonna try to fix that. But I also have, y'all see my hair? I did my hair. This shit is laid. Purr, honey. So I did that. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video for this week. I'm gonna be trying to get them out more, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you comment below. Let me know if you like this video, if you like the things I was eating, you know. And I will see y'all next week. I'm not throwing a peace out no more. Bye, y'all.